Hey there guys, Artistic Nick here, thanks for the click. In today's video I'm going to be drawing Garchomp and Cynthia from the Pokemon universe. This was a request sent in by Muggle Dragon Licker, so thank you so much for that. I hope you like the video and I hope you give it a go. As always, I used my pencil to freehand the outlines in, and then I went over these lines with a Faber-Castell Pitt pen. This is a very fine line black permanent marker. This allows me to get great tapered edges, particularly around hairlines, and it also allows me to get great details in the finer areas. I then use COPIC markers for the rest of the drawing. For the majority of Garchomp, I used a violet colour. For the underside of Garchomp's belly, I used a CADMIUM and CARDINAL red. The yellow areas that you can see on Garchomp's nose and underside of the belly was an acid yellow. This is one of my favourite colours that I have in my Copic marker set. For Cynthia's jacket, I used a Cool Grey 5 and 7. There's some black around the edges, there's a black frill around her neckline and the bottom of her coat. And for Cynthia's hair, I used a barium yellow. The skin tone for Cynthia was a milky white, and then I just used a Uniball Signo Broad white highlighter pen just to bring out some highlights, both in Cynthia's hair and along the right side of Garchomp as we're looking at it now, the right side of his body. In total, this drawing took me about 2 hours. It was really enjoyable. I'd love to know who your favourite trainer is from the Pokemon series. So leave me a comment down below. Who's your favourite trainer? If you've got any requests for me, then also leave them down below. I'd love to do some more of these Pokemon in the future. It's about between my 30th and 40th Pokemon that I've drawn. So go and check some of those out. I hope you're enjoying these videos so far. I'm having great fun drawing them, and I've had great fun connecting with you guys in the community recently. I've had some great messages. So if you want to get hold of me on the social media platforms, the links to all of my social media are down below in the descriptions. I'm on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying this series on my channel so far, and have a great day. Hit subscribe, smack the notifications button, follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.